Welcome to Academy of EV Technology. The rising environmental concern, geopolitical conflicts in the globe, followed by the increasing number of government initiatives to reduce carbon emissions by incentivizing electric vehicle are the main demand factor for localizing lithium-ion cell and battery manufacturing in India. In terms of lithium-ion battery, we fully dependent on China. To overcome this issue, Government of India introducing 2 lakh crore project linked incentive scheme to promote lithium-ion battery manufacturing market in India with a target of 50 gigawatt hour. In this course, you will learn lithium-ion cell characteristics, parameters, selection procedure of right cell through hardware simulated results, battery pack construction, design, battery pack testing and analyzing through hardware simulated test data, how to set a battery pack assembly line and its financial planning to set up. Do you want to start your lithium-ion battery business? AEVT will solve this problem for you. Explore our electric vehicle battery pack assembly line course and find the right way to start your business.
Yes, from my side, I've found it very informative. Sometimes I guess I am an engineer, and maybe to times I think the course has been very worthwhile, and so thank you for that.
So I had a wonderful session with you people during this course. I have already did some work on lithium-ion batteries, but this gave another insight into many different things like that charging protocol, open charge point protocol. I guess I have got some notes for myself.
Yes.
And the charging system, charging pyramid, and the step to prepare while we. What are the steps to be followed while doing a battery assembly, like from cell testing, balancing, similar cells grouping, etc. So how to group spot welding types, laser welding, resistance welding, CCD test, cell charge discharge test, etc. So those were like a new concept. Other than like what we read from just another textbook or online material. Okay. So that was a very new and insightful topic.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, I think it's been very, very well done. As Adrian said, thank you very much for all of the knowledge and information you've provided. It will definitely help us in the future.
Okay.
So now, thank you. I thought it was very knowledgeable, very, very good.
Okay.
Information, good. Thank you.
Okay, it's my pleasure.